Here's another one. Throw it in there. Throw it in there. Big boy. Good job. Here you go. Can you throw that in there for me? Can you throw it in there? Can you throw it in there? Fearless? Drop it in there. Drop it in there. There you go. Can you pick that up? Look. Can you get that? Good job. Good job. Here you go. Good job. We're almost done. Almost done. Here's a big one. Yeah, go ahead and throw it in there. Good job. Here's a big one. You might need both hands. Wow, good job. Okay, this is the last one. This is the last one. Can you throw it in there? Throw it in there. Okay. Throw it in there. Throw it in there. Fearless. Hey, can you close the door? Can you close the door? Can you do that? Can you close the door? Can you close the door? Wow, look at you. Good job. Thank you for helping Mommy with laundry.